Good morning, student. So, advanced math exercise 3.2 I will continue, class 9. Last class, while doing question number 7b, Roman 6, I did a mistake. While watching the video, I got the mistake. Actually, I did not multiply 12. Okay, I have shown the new process also. I have rectified it and I have shown a new process. But if you want to continue with the previous one, you just multiply the 12. Okay, you will get the answer. Now we will go for question number 8a. Find the values of log 25 base 8. So this is exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, question number 8a. Yeah, I am mentioning the page also. Page is your 94. So I have to find out the value of log 25 base 8. Okay. So if we use log table, in log table the values which are given, it is with respect to base 10, but here it is base 8. So my first work will be to change the base and to make it 10, because if I use log table, okay, I will get the values with respect to base 10. So it is log 25 base 10 into, I can write here log 10 base 8. 10 will cancel, ultimately 25 base 8. This is the property which we got in exercise 3.1. So now I can easily use the value of 25. You can write 25 into 5 square also. So let me write here 5 square. 5 square by 10. Here again let me make the base 10. So I will do reciprocal of this one. So 8 by 10. So here we got 2 log 5 base 10, and here you can write log 2 cube base 10. 2 cube base 10. So 2 log 5 value is how much? Log 5 means 50 0. 50 0. Okay? 50 0 it is. 50 0 it is 6990. So 0.6990 into, I am adding it here, it is, you can write here 3 log 2 base 10. So take the screenshot, I will rub the upper part. I repeat again, here the base is 8. If I use the log table to put the values, in log table the values which are given, it is with respect to base 10. Okay, because we are studying common logarithm. Whenever we speak of common logarithm, the base should be 10. So here 10 into 10 by 8, 10 will cancel, ultimately 25 base 8. So 25 I have written here 5 square. So 2 will come in the coefficient, 5 base 10, 8 you can write 2 cube, so 3 will come. Next step I will put the value of 2 here. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Okay. So it is 2 0 0, 2 9 18, 1 carry, 2 9 18, 19, 1 carry, 2 6 12, 13. Decimal after 4 digits is 1.39. So here it is 1 by 3 into log 2 value. Now we already got by heart 3.30103, 0.30103. So I will multiply it here. So here it is 13.980 divided by, if you multiply it here, 3 3 9, 0, 3 1 3, 0, 3 3 9, decimal after 5 digit 1 2 3 4 5. So I will do divide now. So divide you will do by yourself. I am doing it here by using calculator. 13.980 divided by 0.90309. So you will get 15.48. Okay, it will continue, just I have kept up to 2 digits after decimal. Let me check the answer. Okay, 15.48 I got, but in answer it is given 1.548. Okay, just a minute, here I have done wrong or what. Let me check it. 2 into 0.6990, it will be 1.3980. Okay, into 1 by this one. Oh sorry, yeah, I have done 13. It is 1 point, so it will be 1.548. Okay, while writing I have done mistake. 1.3980. Okay, 1.3980 divided by 0.90309, you will get 1.548. Hope it is clear. Take the screenshot. Okay, taken. Now we will go for 8a Roman 2. So if I go for 8a Roman 2, so it is what given? Log 57 base 43. So same rule you will follow. If to make the base 10, so it is log 57 base 10 into log 10 base 43. 10 cancel, ultimately this. So it is log 57 base 10. Again I have to make here also base 10, so I have to do reciprocal, log 43 base 10. So log, here there are two digits, so whenever you find out log of any number, it has two parts. The first is the characteristics part and the decimal part is the Mendisa part. The Mendisa part we get it from log table. So here 57 two digits, so characteristic 1 point. I will see now 57. Like this my log table. Just a minute. So 57 0 I will see, because there is no more digit. So 57 0 is 7559 into 1 by 43 means 1.430. 430, it is 6335. So in the numerator you got 1.7559 and denominator you got 1.6335. So if I divide it, okay, you have to do the division by yourself, because in exam time they will not provide you calculator. So develop the habit of doing long division. Okay, 1.6335. So it is 1.074. 1.074. Okay, in answer they have kept one more digit, you can keep it 1.0749. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Next we will go for question number 8b. In question number 8b, they have given value of log 165 and log 1181. I have to find the value of point. It is a long value, so it will take some time, but I have to do the sum by using this value only. Okay, you can't take now the help of log table. The values which are provided to you, by that value only you have to solve the sum. So it is log 165, it is 2.2175. So log 165 is 2.2175. So it is 8b. So let me write log 165 equal to, given how much, 2.2175, and log 1181 equal to 3.0725. If you use these two values, okay, by using these two values only to solve the sum. So I have to find the value of 0.00000165 whole to the power 1 by 3. So to find the value of this, I have to take log. Let me write first, let x equal to, okay, then it will be more accurate for you. Let x equal to point, after point how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 165 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now to get this value, I have to take log both sides. So log x equal to log point 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, 165 whole to the power 1 by 3. By chance while doing, if I do any mistake, you rectify by yourself. Okay, just to follow the process. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 by 3 will come in the coefficient log. Let me remove the decimal. Numerator it will be 165. For point it is 1. here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 10 to the power 8. Okay, I repeat again, 5 and 8. So here what you got, log 165, since it is divided with a minus, so 8 log 10. I'm writing here directly. Okay, space is less here, so because power will come in the coefficient, so 1 by 3 log 165 value is how much, 2.2175 minus 8. Okay, take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. Take the screenshot of this. Got it? So now I will do minus 2.2175 minus 8. It is minus log x equal to minus, sorry, let me write 1 by 3 first. 1 by 3 minus 5.7825. So if I divide it by 3, so it is minus 1.9275. Okay, so log x you got a negative result. If you remember and if you have followed the class sincerely, I have said you, whenever you find out log of any number and if you get a negative answer, you will do minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so I will do minus 1 plus 1 because Mantissa part should be positive. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.9275. So it will be 2 negative point. If you subtract it, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 2 7, and 9 minus 9 0, 2.0725. So you got this. So log x value is this one. Okay, this is the value of log x. But you have to find out only the value of x. They did not say find log of 0.0000165 whole to the power 1 by 3. So I have to remove the log here. So x equal to, I will take NT log, because when you remove log from one side, other side you have to give NT log. It is 2 bar 0.0725. Now in the question I am writing inside. In the question it is given log 1181 equal to 3.0725. Okay, this is the value which is given. So here there were 4 digits, so character is 3 and rest is log. If you remove the log from this side, other side, what you have to give? NT log. And NT log of this is how much? 1181. So I am writing here 1181. Here 2 bar, so for decimal 0.01181. 0.01181. So this is the value which I have used here. Okay, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. If you don't practice log, then you will find many obstacles. Okay, so practice log thoroughly. Clear? Now we will go for question number 9, Roman 1. So if we go for question number 9, Roman 1, they have said solve by using logarithm. So solve means finding the value of x. I have to use here logarithm. So the first question is 3 to the power x plus 2 equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 1. So this is the sum which is given, and you have to find the value of x by using log. So I will take log both sides, 3 to the power x plus 2, and here it is log 2 to the power 2x minus 1. So power comes in the coefficient, so it is log 3. Power will come in the coefficient log 2. Log 2 and log 3 value already you know it. Log 3 is 0.47712. It is 2x minus 1. Log 2 value is 0.30103. So I multiply x into this. So 0.47712x plus 2 into this one. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. 1 carry to say 14, 15, 1 carry to 48, 9. Decimal before 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2x into this, 2 into 0.30103. So it is 0.60206x minus 0.30103. Now let me bring the x term in one side. So it is 0.47712x minus 0.60206x equal to, I am giving here. Here it is minus, so not minus, 0.30103 minus 0.95424. So plus minus minus we will do. So take the screenshot. So here you will get minus 0.12494x, and here minus minus plus we will do. So 0.30103 plus 0.95424, you will get minus 1.25527. Both side minus, minus minus cancel. Take the screenshot because I will rub the upper part. By chance, if in calculation plus minus, if you find mistake, please rectify by yourself, because once I rub it, I am unable to see the mistake which I have done in the sum, since it is a video session. So if you find any mistake, you rectify. The process you will go in the same way. The process is same. Okay, concept is same. Just maybe somewhere you may find any mistake in plus or minus. You just rectify yourself. Okay, you don't have to panic. You just rectify the sum by yourself. I have to find the value of x. So x equal to 1.25527, 0.12494. So I have to divide this number by this, divided by 0.12494. So it is 10.046. Okay, more digits are there. I have kept only up to 3 decimal places. 10.046. If you keep another more digit, it will be 9. So it will be then exactly it will match with the answer. So take the screenshot. Suppose while doing the sum, somewhere I have done mistake. Here I understood that I have done the mistake. So you please rectify by yourself. Okay, you don't have to ask permission from me, because answers are given in your book. You can easily get the answer, final answer, and you can rectify. So take the screenshot. Okay, next Roman number 2. Roman number 2. So 6 to the power 3 minus 4x into 4 to the power x plus 5 equal to 8. If to solve this sum, I have to take log 6 to the power 3 minus 4x, 4 to the power x plus 5 equal to log 8. So it is into, so whenever it is into, it will become plus, the power will come in the coefficient. So I am writing here directly 3 to the power 3 minus 4x log 6 plus, since it is into, it will become plus, power will come in the coefficient, it is log 4, and here you can use log 8. I will use here the log table, so I am not worried about breaking. 3 minus 4x, so log 6 means, log 6 you will not get, you will get 60. So 60 is 0.7782, so it is 0.7782. Here it is x plus 5 into log 4 means 40. So 40 is 0.6021. 6021. Log 80 means 80. Log 80 0.9031. 9031. So let me multiply it 3 into this. So it is 0.7782. 0.7782 into 3, it is 2.3346 minus, again 4 into this. I repeat again, let me do the calculation. By chance if I get mistake, it will be a problem then. Again 4 into this, 4 into 0.7782, it is 3.1128. so this multiply over, now plus again x into this, so 0.6021x. I'm writing here below 5 into this, 5 into 0.6021, so it is how much? 3.0105 equal to, here it is how much? 0.9031. so take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. So here it will be x. Okay, here I have forgot to give the x. So here it is. Here it is x. Okay. So now I have to do further solve. So when you do the solve of this one, you will bring the x term in one side and the rest you will take on the other side. Okay. So let me keep the x term in one side. It is minus 3.1128x plus 0.6021x equal to, here it is how much? 0.9031 plus this one will go to side, means I'm adding it here, you please 2.3346 and plus this will be minus 3.0105. okay, I repeat again, the x term is kept on left hand side and the term without x on the right hand side. So it is 0.9031 plus 2 point, this one will go other side, become minus, and this plus also become minus. So let me do the further calculation now. So it is 0.6021 minus 3.1128. So it is minus 2.5107. 2.5107x, and here what we will do, 0.9031 minus 2.3346 minus again minus 3.0105, we will get minus 4.442. Both side minus, minus, minus cancel. So take the screenshot. More is there. Okay, take the screenshot of the upper part. Take the screenshot. Okay, now I have to find the value of x. So along with x, whatever value is there, it will come in the denominator. So it is x equal to 4.442 divided by 2.15107. So it is 4.442 divided by 2.5107. So it is 1.769. So you can write as 1.77. Okay. So 1 point, take the screenshot. This is the final answer of this question. Got it? Now Roman number 3 I will give as homework. I will go for Roman number 4 now. Okay, Roman number 4. So Roman number 4, what did they say? Log of x plus 1 equal to 2 log x. This one I think I have done in the 3.1 also. Still I am repeating here. Log of x plus 1. Okay, if I have done, then I will not continue this one. Okay, yes, it is done. It is exactly the question number 12, Roman 2, 3.1. 3.1 12 Roman 2 and question number 9 Roman 4 is same. I will go with question number 5. Roman 4 is same. Okay, it is done earlier. Roman 4 is done earlier in 3.1 in question number 12. So I will go for this now. So it is log x base 10 plus 2 equal to 2 log, it is 0.5 base 10. So I have to find the value of x here. Here already log is there. So log x base 10 plus 2, coefficient goes in the power. So it is 0.5 whole square base 10. Now let me bring the log term in one side and the term without log on the other side. So minus log 0.5 whole square by 10, here it will be minus 2. So here base are same and in between minus is there. So we can do what? We can replace it by divide. So log base 10, so it is x by 0.5 whole square means 0.25 equal to minus 2. Okay? Sorry, 0.5 into 0.5. So 0.25. So now I will remove this log by converting into index form. So if you convert into index form, it will be x by 0.25 equal to 10 to the power minus 2. So when we speak of 10 to the power minus 2, it is x by 0.25 equal to 1 by 100. So take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now I have to find the value of x. So I will cross multiply it. It will be 0.25 by 100. So if I remove the decimal, for point it is 1, after 0.2 digits 100. So 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja. So it is 1 by 400. X equal to 1 by 400. And you divide it, 1 divided by 400. It will be 0.0025. So this is the final answer. Okay. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Okay. Hope it is clear. Now we will go for question number 6. Question number 6 you can do by yourself because it is like 9 Roman 1. Question number, if you go for question number 9 7, it is 4 into this. You can do one thing here. What is the step you can do? 4 into, you bring this side, get to square. So what is the step you can follow here? Okay. Let me do number 7 now. 7 you give a star mark. Okay, question number 7. I think you can solve this without log also. So 4 into 7 to the power 2x equal to 2 minus 7 to the power x plus 1. So this is the question given. So 4 into 7 to the power 2x, 2 minus. So when you do the power plus, when the bases are same, 7 to the power x, 7 to the power 1. And this 7 to the power 2x, you can write in this form, 7 to the power x, here it is 2. Same thing, x into 2 is 2x. So I will assign a variable for 7 to the power x, 7 to the power x equal to a. So what you can write, 4 into 7 to the power x you have taken as a square equal to 2 minus a into 7. So here you got 4a square minus 7a means it will become plus 7a and minus 2. Okay. So now here it is 3 terms. You can solve it by using middle term. So 8 minus 1. So it is 4a square plus 8 minus 1a minus 2 equal to 0. So further what you can do, 4a square plus 8a minus 2. from the first two you have to take 4a common, so it is a plus 2, and from the last two you can take a 1 common, so it is a plus 2. So take the screenshot of this part. Okay, again, next is what? Next you can take common again what? A plus 2, and here to be 4a minus 1 equal to 0. So either a plus 2 equal to 0, so it is a equal to minus 2, or 4a minus 1 equal to 0, so 4a equal to 1, a equal to 1 by 4. This will not be considered as value, this will be not discarded, because 7 to the power x you got minus 2, and when you take log of negative number you can't find out, so it is not possible here. So we will go for a equal to 1 by 4, and your a is how much? Your a is how much? It is 7 to the power x. 7 to the power x equal to 1 by 4. 7 to the power x equal to 1 by 4. So it is, so to solve this you take log, so let me do one thing more. 1 by 4 means 4 to the power minus 1. So take log 7 to the power x equal to log 4 to the power minus 1. So it is x log 7, and here it is minus 1 log 4. Minus 1 log 4. So take the screenshot. Minus 1 log 4. Got it? So log 7 value is your 0.8451. 0.8451. 0.8451 equal to minus 1 log 4. You can write 2 square. I am writing here directly value. Log 4 means 40 0. So 40 0 will be your 0.6021. 0.6021. So ultimately x equal to how much you got? Minus 0.6021 by 0.8451. So divide it. Divided by 84, 0.6021 divided by 0.8451. So it is 0.71246 minus. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. So it is minus 0.71246. Okay. So I will end here today. Actually the space in my camera is less now, so I have made a video of only 30 to 35 minutes. You people note down in your copy. Okay. Rest of the sum we'll see in next session. Till today, bye. Thank you. Stay home. Keep learning.